Hey guys, welcome back. So today, what we're going to be doing is finally throwing on an S&B intake on this truck. Now, I don't really want to do this as an install video. What I want to do is let's go do a before and after sound. Let's do windows up, windows down, half throttle, full throttle, whatever. Anyway, we'll go ahead, we'll try it out, see if it's actually worth, about $375 after tax and shipping stuff. Yeah, let's go find out. Let's go take it for a drive, and then we'll install it. Like I said, not going to make a video about installing it. There's been a million other those videos. I just want to make a good before and after. So let's go try it out. All right, guys, here we go. We got windows down. Just going to kind of putz along. I got the exhaust brake on max too. I'm trying to see what the difference is. Turbo noise, overall intake howl, and exhaust brake sound too. I want to see if there's a massive difference there. So, and I'll get the gear limiter going too to really get the exhaust brake going for you guys. Let's do a little pull here. All right, here goes the gear limiter. Not that much with the windows down, it's harder to hear. That's a good one. Turn around down here, and then I'll turn the windows up. Windows up now. Okay, so that's about it. Couple loads up, nothing really too full throttle, but that's about it for the intake sound. So let's go ahead, let's get back to the house, we'll throw it on. All right, guys, so it's the next day. The intake is on. I got busy last night, so I didn't really get to videotaping and going out on another drive. So we're gonna go do that now. I did drive around last night a little bit, and let me tell you, it's pretty substantial. So, as you can see, I've been working on the trailer here too. I got too much stuff going on. We're going to the racetrack this weekend to Pittsburgh. So I've been super busy. I'm trying to prep the trailer, prep the bikes. Bike night's tomorrow for some stuff, so I just got too much going on. So anyway, let's go ahead. Let's go for a drive so you guys can actually hear the sound difference. All right, guys, so I'm going to start the same way, windows down and then windows up on the way back. It's a big difference in sound. The difference is more noticeable when the windows are up. So when we're on the way back, you guys will hear it, obviously. about maybe quarter to third throttle, pulling through torque converter lockout. It all relates to me. Let's go ahead, we'll do windows up. Like I said, guys, it's really, with the windows up, the in-cab noise is crazy different. That turbo is just nuts. Just awesome. Now, I will say the caveat, I do have that plug on the side out. I will test to see if that makes a big difference or not. I'm sure it helps a little bit because you basically got a giant hole in the side, but we'll see what it actually comes out to. Guys, that's just barely on it too. And it's great because when you're just driving regular and, you know, doing 60, 65, it doesn't sound any different unless you're you got a load on, you start going up a small grade, you hear that turbocharger start doing its thing. But really, it's just exhaust brake and turbo. And other than that, it sounds very, very similar, which I really like. I didn't want it to be super, super loud because I drive this thing so much. I didn't want to hear droning and all that, you know, all the time. But the exhaust brake and the turbo is perfect. Like those are what I want to hear. You really hear the turbo. You can even hear the blow-off valve too. Guys, that turbo, you can really, before you probably couldn't hear it till about maybe 1350, 1400 RPM, like loaded up. Now you can hear it, you know, basically at like 1100, you can hear that thing start to do its thing. And obviously it's significantly more pronounced. Guys, it sounds awesome. Yep, just for the sound, it's worth it alone, guys. Just for the sound, it's just freaking awesome, if that's your thing. So, there we go, guys. That is the difference in the sound. Pretty drastic, much better, not obnoxious, just sporty, awesome, just makes the truck sound just the way I want it, at least. So, anyway, guys, I'll be doing tons of tests on this. I'll probably do a product review, fuel economy tests, all that good stuff. Sure, I'll be making more videos on this thing. Maybe I got trailer fuel economy tests to do and all that good stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed.